Now, this isn't financial advice, but I believe with full conviction that this stock is going to short squeeze and potentially 4x very, very soon. There are three main reasons why this stock will short squeeze. First of all, there's a super high 25% short interest ratio with a very low float of only 18 million shares. That's key number one. That is one of the big pieces of a short squeeze. Key number two, this stock is extremely oversold and undervalued. It has an enterprise value of negative $200 million. What that means is that is how much it cost you to buy this company out. Negative 200 million. That's what it cost. That means if you buy this company, you're actually gonna gain $200 million. Meaning the market cap plus debt is less than the cash, the amount of cash that the company has. The company has 800 million in cash. The market cap is only 140 million US dollars. It is just extremely oversold. It's oversold because of the fact that they did a reverse split, a 20-for-1 reverse split, and that has caused a lot of pessimism. People have been selling the stock, and short sellers have gotten overly confident and selling the stock like crazy, and it is primed for a short squeeze, and I'll tell you more about that in a bit. Also, it has formed a very, very bullish falling wedge pattern. All right, this is key number three. Very bullish. We've seen that on other stocks when this happened that has produced a massive short squeeze rally. For example, with this stock, it went from 2.7 all the way up to 15 in just a couple of days. All right, 2.7 to 15, you can see how much it has gained. This stock that I'm talking about right now, of course, trading at 6.86, and I believe it could go up to 27 and even above to $35 a share. What is this stock? All right, enough of leaving you hanging. Let me reveal the stock right now. Guys, the stock is none other than Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. SPCE. And if you take a look here, we got that big bullish wedge, bullish falling wedge. Prices making lower lows with higher lows on the MACD and RSI. So here we got the RSI making higher lows, and the MACD is also making higher lows. So this is bullish divergence. That means when we break above this wedge and there's volume, then we could see this absolutely fly up. And right now, even though it sounds kind of crazy for it to go from 6 to 26, all right, it sounds kind of crazy, but remember, this stock did a reverse split, 1-for-20 reverse split, and right now the market cap is super low, 140 million, all right, and it's just been crushed by short sellers. The short sellers have been selling this like crazy. I mean, like, if you look back, all right, way back in the heydays of this stock, before the reverse split, this was like $1,000 per share. This was when, like, we went up to like 60. All right, before the split, before the reverse split, $60 a share. Now, even after the split, right now, all right, right now at $6.80, it's pretty much like 35 cents per share before the reverse split. And going to 26 only means it's like $1.30. So if you believe Space Virgin Galactic stock can hit $1.30, this is before the reverse split, then of course, you know, it doesn't sound that crazy, right? From 0.35 to 1.3, you know, not that crazy. But of course here, because they've done that reverse split, first of all, we have lower float. All right, short interest is still 25%. So this could definitely totally break out, and then we can go up to 17, 26, and even up to $35 per share just on this stock. And it's just been oversold, way too oversold. Okay, the cash per share is like $35 per share, cash per share. Of course, 800 million in cash, 400 million in debt. So net, they're still positive by 400 million, and this is why you have a negative enterprise value with this stock, right? You can buy this company for free and then actually pocket 200 million How crazy insane is that? That just tells you that this is extremely undervalued, extremely oversold. The shorts are getting way too greedy, and the shorts might need to cover. All right, once we break above this, just watch out for a break above this and mark this post. If we do, then we get that big run. All right, so I'm just letting you guys know. All right, I'm just letting you guys know you can do whatever you want. Okay, and this stock, even before, it has produced very decent short squeezes with a similar pattern. For example, over here, we had a falling wedge, and then boom, nice big squeeze that went up to about the height of the wedge. And here I'm expecting something similar. Maybe we might go up to the height of the wedge, 28, maybe even higher, up to $35 a share. And that wouldn't be too crazy. Even at $35 a share, it's under $2 before the reverse split. All right, it's under $2 before the reverse split. So can space stock Virgin Galactic, which used to be trading at $1,000 per share, go up to maybe 24? Yeah, absolutely possible. So just keep an eye out on this. I'm not telling you guys that it's guaranteed to happen, but I have a very good hunch, and I do believe that we are going to break out of this and potentially go for a short squeeze. Okay? And yeah, Space Virgin Galactic, SPCE, they have sufficient cash to last them for many years to come, and it's just way too oversold. Somebody can buy the company right now and pocket $200 million extra cash. Absolutely insane. The other stock that also had this kind of short squeeze, bullish falling wedge pattern was, of course, Canopy Growth, CGC, and it just made this perfect falling wedge. And look what happened, right? Bam! Just exploded up. It took everybody by surprise, from 2.7 all the way up to 11, and then all the way up to 15. All right, it went up to 15. Absolutely insane, like 5x in just a short period of time. And we could totally see something similar with Virgin Galactic. And guys, remember, short interest of 25%. It might be even higher because of more short sellers. And looking at forums, short sellers have been shorting the stock like crazy. Everybody's bearish. When everybody's bearish, then that means, it might be time to be bullish. So, just some contrarian thought. And I am definitely looking forward to this potentially 4xing all the way up to $26 per share. This is looking like it's going to break above very, very soon. Now, guys, I'm not telling you to buy the stock or sell the stock. I don't have the qualifications to do that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am telling you to take a good look at this stock and make your own decisions. Do your own due diligence and come out with your own conclusions, all right? But I fully believe that this is going to 4x. It's going to be easy 4x. Just my opinion. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.